What's up, guys? My name's Naaman. This is my little brother Mason. Unfortunately, my friend Caden will not be joining us today. He's visiting somewhere for the next 2 days, and we're still gonna have some fun though. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be hitting this pump track with this little pit bike that we got. It actually belongs to Mason here, and we're just gonna have some fun on it. On the pump track. So as you can see here, we inserted some new obstacles. First we have we have this little transition that goes into this last pump here. So that's pretty fun. And we have this double log kind of tabletop sort of thing. So let's get shredding.
I'm just the boy inside the man, not exactly who you think I am. Trying to trace my steps back here again. So many times I'm just a speck inside your hand. You came and made me who I am. I remember where it all began so clearly. I feel a million miles away. Still you connect me in your way, and you created me something I would have never seen. When I could only see the floor, you made my window a door. So when they say they don't believe, I hope that they see you and me. After all the lights go down, I'm just the words, you are the sound. A strange type of chemistry. You've become a part of me. And when I sit alone at night, your thoughts burn through me like a fire. You're the only one who knows who I really am. We all wanna be somebody. We just need a taste of who we are. We all wanna be somebody. We're willing to go, but not that far. We're all see-through just like glass, and we can shatter just as fast. That light's been burned out.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and check out our other videos, and we'll see you in the next one.